Splendora ISD. We are at the construction site of Timberlakes Elementary. Thank you so much for tuning in to see our beautiful building. So in just a moment, we're going to go inside. We're going to show you around a little bit. So again, welcome to Timberlakes. And just a reminder, it is an active construction site. So you can see things moving around, the moving pieces of the field. So welcome, and let's go take a look. Welcome everybody to Timberlakes Elementary. Come on in. Let's go take a walk through the offices. Come on, let's go. PTO moms and dads and families, this is our PTO room, so come take a look inside. All right, come on this way. Let's take a look at our library. Isn't it beautiful? So welcome to the library. So as you can see, that the library is absolutely the heart of the school at Timberlakes Elementary. This is going to be a great place for our kids to read books and to come and to learn. Again, it's an active construction site. So here we are. We're so glad we're having this opportunity. So have a look at our library. All right, guys, so this is our Makerspace area. This is where our boys and girls will come to do some STEM activities, kind of hands-on activities. Boys and girls will be able to come in here with their teachers. So take a look at our Makerspace area. This is our community room. The wall right here will be glass, and then you can see there will be a lot of glass here. So this is a nice place for us to hold events for our community. So take a look at our community room. So if you guys watched our Facebook Live event where we walked through the map, I showed you a couple of flex space areas where our teachers can take our kids to work on an activity, or they can do a lesson, or small groups of kids can move outside to do some work, or kids can even work independently. So each hallway has its own flex space, and so this is our one for kindergarten. So take a look at our flex space. So I'm so excited to show you one of our pre-K rooms. You can see how nice and large the room is and that it has a sink in it. This is also glass. This really helps to contribute to this community feel of the campus. That we are one big learning organization, that we're not walled off into our own rooms, that we work together as a community. So come take a look at a pre-K room. Now we're going to take a look at our cafeteria. So come on in, I want to show you something. All right, so welcome to our cafeteria. On either side there will be a mural be a mural of a mama wildcat and baby wildcats, and then Dale Martin's quote, "It's a great day to be a wildcat." And on this side there'll be a mural of trees and a lake, and it's just a very beautiful setting for our boys and girls to eat breakfast and lunch, and a nice space to be in. All right, welcome to the gym. It's a great place for our boys and girls to do activities, to run and jump rope, and to learn all about physical fitness. This gym will definitely reflect wildcat spirit and that we see red. All right, we're gonna go upstairs and see classrooms where our 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th graders will be. On the top floor of our campus, and you can see that looking down you can see all the beautiful pieces of the library. This is just a really great space for our kids. Another one of our flex spaces. This will be one of the spaces that will be either red or green, blue or purple or orange. So again, this is one of the spaces where boys and girls can come outside and do some group work or some individual work. And sometimes teachers need kids just to go into a different space to learn. So they can say, boys and girls, get up, we're gonna come and move to the flex space. So this is a great place for learning and cooperative learning. Is a science flex space on the bottom floor, and then there are 2 science labs on the top floor. So this is one of our science labs. We saw a pre-K room. Our other classes do look exactly like that pre-K room, except they do not have a sink. So we're not going to walk into all the classrooms, but that did give you an idea of what our classrooms at Timberlakes will look like.